child once said, "A grapefruit is just a lemon that saw an opportunity and took advantage of it." Yes, we talk about the grapefruit today. The grapefruit is a subtropical citrus tree known for its sour to semi-sweet fruit. Grapefruit is a hybrid originating in Barbados as an accidental cross between two introduced species, sweet orange and pomelo. This juicy fruit was named after the way it clusters on a tree branch, like grapes. It is referred to as chakotra in Hindi. Recent years have seen its cultivation in India as well. Beware, it may be very harmful if taken with certain medicines. Did you know that over 90% of the grapefruit is water? It is also a low carb fruit as it has only around 11 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams. It is a rich source of vitamin C and hence boosts the immune system. It reduces acidity and fights against cough, cold and flu. It increases metabolism and is good for weight loss. It also reduces the risk of a stroke and is good for strong bones. No wonder it is called the citrus paradisi or paradise of citrus in Latin. Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.